Now the On Your Side forecast with Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval.
Well, let's take a look at what's happening at the Village at Meridian right now. Some light snow has been falling throughout the afternoon, a little bit of a break now, but you can see that dusting of snow that we've had. And again, a dusting to a coating of snow likely this evening, and then more precipitation coming in later tonight. So slick roadways, it's only 17 degrees outside. And so you add that dusting of snow over the icy secondary roads, the roads in your subdivision, in your neighborhood, we just get that much more slick as we have that little dusting of snow on top of that. And that's occurring tonight. So very wintry conditions out there with this real cold air in place. Here's a look at the Boise area now. This is the connector, basically, I-184 as it's called, and cold. You see traffic moving out of town rather slowly right now. It's pretty typical to move out of town slowly. It's moving okay in the other direction here as well, but there's still that dusting on the road, and so it's the off-ramps and the secondary roads and some of the other major roads that don't really get treated. Those could have some issues. Highway 21, Highland Valley Summit, going up by Hilltop Cafe. You can see the snow on the road here, so you're heading out of town. Be careful. Those higher elevations still have some of that light snow adding to it as well. Look at all these warnings and watches. Winter weather advisory until 5 p.m. tomorrow. I said 5 a.m. I meant to say 5 p.m. So 11 o'clock tonight through 5 o'clock tomorrow because of icy conditions. Warm air is going to surge in aloft, but with all the cold air in the valley, the snowflakes fall, they melt, they turn to rain and then freeze on contact. We may be dealing with freezing rain again tomorrow. In fact, it's likely in parts of the valley freezing rain and sleet tomorrow, and it could be for a prolonged period of time as well, depending on how the situation sets up here. We're going to keep a close eye on this. Winter storm warnings everywhere in white coming up for tomorrow, and you can see winter weather advisories for parts of eastern Idaho as well as this system moves through. There's the light snow coming through tonight on Doppler radar. We're getting it this evening, and there could be a little bit more developing behind this, and then a little further behind it, another surge of moisture coming on in. That comes in for the day tomorrow. Charts don't show a lot of precipitation tomorrow morning, but I don't trust it. I have a feeling we'll still have that snow coming in during the morning. Here is the futurecast. When you look at it overnight tonight, here's tomorrow morning. A lot of heavy snow overnight tonight coming into the mountains under those winter storm warning areas. And there's the mixed snow, sleet, and freezing rain in the Western Valley. This shows it coming into Boise at 10 o'clock. I think it will come in, obviously, overnight tonight and tomorrow. And then we see a lot of green showing rain in the valley. That's the part that I don't think the computers have a handle on it, because if it's raining, it's likely to be still below freezing and getting icy conditions the further west you go, especially in the valley. Maybe towards Mountain Home, temperatures could pop up above freezing. It's going to be difficult for it to do that. Later in the afternoon tomorrow, it clears. Around 2 o'clock, the precipitation may shut off, and on Wednesday, we really could have a fine winter day with some sunshine coming in, provided we don't get too much fog forming during the morning. Heavy snow will fall in Idaho's higher elevations. Keep that in mind, but I do still think 1 to 3 inches of snow, freezing rain, and sleet in the Treasure Valley for tomorrow. Here's my exclusive true view of tomorrow's weather today, and here comes the precipitation. Lows in the teens tomorrow, getting close to the upper 20s tomorrow afternoon. It's pretty much the story. Maybe 33 in Kuna, possibly 34 in Caldwell, but it's a real difficult call right now. Just prepare for the potential for some freezing rain tomorrow as well. 4 to 8 inches of snow and a winter storm warning for the west central mountains here. Temperatures getting into the upper 20s. Notice how we get to 31 in Cascade tomorrow with that warm air aloft. And Stanley tomorrow could hit 35 degrees, but a heavy wet snow will be falling much of the day. 6 to 12 inches of snow into the Magic Valley, at least an inch of snow and some freezing rain. And then I think the Magic Valley will warm up and we'll get above freezing. We'll have a little bit of melting and much better road conditions in the afternoon. My extended forecast, the storm tomorrow, a break on Wednesday, snow showers coming in, the Humanitarian Bowl, the Great Potato Bowl coming in on for a Thursday evening. There could be some light snow coming in. Into Friday morning, some snow. Christmas Eve, maybe some flurries around. We'll keep an eye on that. Then Christmas Day drying on out and cold with temperatures in the 20s. And there you see the extended forecast for the mountains. And of course, all of that is mostly snow. So slick roads tonight and tomorrow morning. I'm going to keep an eye on this.
Depending on where that temperature goes up.
It could
be
difficult. Even if it goes up, we still have ice in the valley.
Right.
So freezing rain and snow tomorrow.
Oof. Be careful. All right. Thanks, Scott. Right now, Treasure